Good morning. Today I stayed at Penhale camping site, which is just out of Fowey yesterday. So I crossed on the ferry from Polruan to Fowey, and I walked straight up the hill out of Fowey to get to the campsite. So today, it's a murky old day today at the moment. We've had some rain through the night first for a long time. Today I've decided to leave all my kit, my tent, everything staying at the campsite, and I'm heading back to Fowey to do the section of the coast path that I didn't do yesterday, and then I can come around and back close to the campsite from the coast path, and then head off again tomorrow. So this section will have been completed, and I'm doing it without my kit. So as I said, it's a murky old day. I don't know, you can see. It's a little bit drizzly. So I'm walking down this country lane. It's going to take me, it's a sort of a footpath route into Fowey. And hopefully we're going to have a nice day's hiking, nice and cool. It's brightening up later, I believe, but I'm looking forward to it. A day hiking without my kit. Oh God, I feel 20 years younger. Let me tell you, fantastic. Come on, let's have a look. Let's go. So I'm just leaving Fowey. Pronounced Fowey. Spelled F-O-W-E-Y. Don't pronounce the wee. Lovely little town. I had a huge English breakfast. A little pricey, but then it's Fowey. So lots of cloud cover. Several degrees cooler than it's been. Grateful for that. Grateful for no kit. Let's go. It's a great pleasure to be out here. It's very cool. Seems to have, I thought it was brightening up. Seems to have gone a bit murky again. Ooh, it's nice. I'm a bit of money in a vest. Nice. Oh, it's lovely. It's lovely walking. But I tell you, I know that people say that this Southwest Coast Path is tough, and it is tough. There's no doubt about that. But, mate, if you got nothing on your back, I mean, I've just got water really on my back. If you're just carrying water, maybe a wet weather jacket, it's a breeze, mate. It's a breeze. It's exhilarating. I love it. Perhaps I'll have to try and do more of this. Stay at a place for a couple of nights and spend a day hiking without my kit, and then in the morning of the day I leave, get the bus to where I hiked the day before, hike with the kit, stop and do the same again. Stop for the night, next day hike without the kit, back to the camp, bus to where I hiked to. It's a possibility, isn't it? I'll have to think on that. Can hear the waves crashing on the beach and the sound of laughter, kids, children. So we're coming up to a cove. I don't know what the name is, I'm afraid. There. So when you're hiking, you just walk down these things. Of course, you don't think about it. Don't give it a second thought. That's when you've got a trolley with you. I've got to stop talking about that trolley. And normal surfaces, or flat surfaces shall I say, the trolley's been great, mate. It's much better than having the kit on your back. I'll tell you that because, okay, going up hills, I would struggle, but I would struggle going uphill with 20 kilo of stuff on my back anyway. So, but it's okay, it's a little harder with the trolley, I imagine. But flats and downhill, you don't know you've got it on your back, mate. So, 2 out of 3, it makes a hell of a difference. So, you know, I don't know. But it's not made for these, for this path. This is alright, what am I on now? But those narrow pathways that I showed you, those are just man, impossible. Swan upping. Okay, so I would have been able to go across that with the trolley, or the stepping stones on that side. That's me. Fantastic. Nice. How'd you live in there? Your own private lake? Pretty much, I guess it's your own private beach as well. Amazing. Amazing. I'll walk to the shops, man. Oh, excuse me, they're not children, they look like lads, youths. Got a bunch of people on the beach, like that. Oh. Wonderful. Back on the coast, had to divert inland slightly through Par to get around Par Ducks, and I've just got to get over that headland now, and it'll be Carlyon Bay, and I'm probably going to knock it on the head there for today. So there we have it for today. I'm going to head back towards St Austell now and get a bus back to Fowey where my tent is, my kit, and then in the morning I'll get a bus back here and carry on the trek. It's been wonderful to hike without my kit, of course. I'm really glad I didn't have it with me actually, because some of the places I went through from Fowey around to Par would have been a bit sketchy with my trolley, so it was quite good that I did it this way. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the trail. Bye now.